Hello everybody, this is the fifth lesson of our Android Studio lesson series, and in this video we are going to be utilizing the Firebase database we created in the last video to improve, in other words, revamp our previous local login system we made in the previous episode of the series, just like we promised. So this video will involve some important topics. Therefore, pay attention while enjoying the video. So, in this specific video, we will be talking about how we can utilize data that are already stored in the Firebase database to be used in our login system. So, the key things you learn in this video are how you can fetch data from a Firebase database through Android Data Studio and how you can access the data.
I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. Nostalgia, you're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia.
Out of the many methods in which we can access data from Firebase in Android Studio, taking all the data into an array and accessing that array is the easiest method, and that is what we will be using in this video.
Like a symphony of our memories. Everything was moving so fast. Everywhere I look, I'm starting to feel keep running faster and faster. I don't know what we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster, disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like faster and faster. We're running like faster and faster.
Drop that shit. Turn up.
Got a monster inside of me, you better watch out. If your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets caught real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gold. Always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't release this until they feel the force of party. And if you start shit, you be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You be chewed up and discarded.
And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. There's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
come and show it. Tell me what you feel in your heart and your soul. There's nothing I would take for granted. With me, we'll make it through. Takes two hearts to fix heartbreak. We grew apart, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make it up to you, my darling. Ooh.
If you are enjoying this video so far, then subscribe, like and share this with your friends. And wait patiently for the next episode of the series. Thank you.